Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to view transferred videos in a Discord chat, specifically on your Android device. Let's dive in and make this process super simple for you. First, you'll want to start by opening the Discord app on your Android device. If you don't already have it installed, be sure to download it from the Google Play Store. Once you're in the app, navigate to the chat where the videos were transferred. This could be a direct message with a friend or a group chat you're part of. Simply tap on that chat to open it up. Now look towards the top of the screen. You'll see the contact name or the group chat name displayed prominently. Tap on that name to access more options related to this chat. Next, you will see a menu. Here, you want to tap on the Media option. This section will compile all the media shared in this chat, including photos, videos, and any other files shared. After tapping on Media, you'll be taken to a gallery that shows thumbnails of all the media files. Scroll through to find the videos you want to view. Just tap on any video to play it. And there you have it. Now you know how to view transferred videos in your Discord chats, keeping track of all those precious moments shared among friends. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.